Sit here, I'm gonna be quiet.
They really want us to go demolish the house, dude, but it's like, man, I'm tired.
I'm not saying that goddamn session. I can barely breathe right now, for real.
Toad, I love you to death, but dude, it's not happening. Yeah.
What?
Demolish. They want us to tear the house down.
Oh, that house.
Come on.
No, dude, that's a bad idea. No, hey!
No!
Oh my God, look what y'all are doing. Chat, come on, dude. Look what you're doing to my boy here. Look what you're doing to my boy here, man. He's out here trying to provide the goddamn content. He doesn't even make money off these streams. He doesn't, I don't know, he doesn't even take the money I try to give him. You got the sledgehammer?
No.
What the fuck are we doing then? What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Fuck!
Dude, stop. You're gonna hurt tomorrow.
I'm hurting right now. Fuck tomorrow.
Holy shit, you just took the wall out. Bro, what the
Oh, there's a hole there.
I say we
I
drink.
got a little wiener in me.
I wish we had some fire sales, but I might just drink regardless, honestly. $3 fire sales. Let's change the price. $3? $3 fire sales. Fuck it, dude. Heyo.
You want my wiener? You need juice everywhere.
Wiener juice? Okie dokie. What the? Bro. Oh shit!
Ow! Fuck! Bro, please help me out of here. Never mind, I got it.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Wait. Dude, how the fuck?
Fuck! Where did that come from?
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh! Ass! Is my back fucked up? I feel like
No, it's still, you got a little scratch that you're
burning.
fine. You got, let me see, I'll show you.
It's got that insulation, probably.
Yeah, let me see. Ooh, yeah, it's a little scratched right here. Yeah.
Fuck me, where did that come from, bro?
Dude, it came from the floor, the hole in the ground. That's where it came from.
Oh, my ass.
You want a wiener?
Kind of.
There you go.
Thank you.
It'll be okay.
A real friend gives you wieners when you're hurt.
Damn right. I'm sorry you fell in the hole, dude.
Fuck.
I didn't know that would happen. I kind of tried to warn you, but
It could have been a lot worse.
it could have been way worse.
I'm ass more than anything.
That was great.
That was a full, because I was going in for the kick, and I stepped back, and as soon as I stepped back, I fucking fell, bro.
Holy shit, bro. You fell right in that bit.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Hey, man. Hey, man. You know what I'm saying? We outside with it. Can I get a we outside with it?
We are outside with it. Yeah. In the floor with it as well.
We're in the floor with it. Hey, we might be inside, but technically, we outside with it. Can I get some AOs? Oh, dude, let me get the fuck out of here, dude. I don't like this. Dude, why did you do this dumb shit, bro? I told you this was a fucking stupid idea.
I'm about to fall in this motherfucker again. I mean, so much other thing. Hold my wiener.
Fuck around and find out.
Fuck around and fall through.
There you go, buddy.
Fuck that.
There you go, chat. I hope you're fucking happy. I fucking hope y'all are happy, dude. Gonna hurt more tomorrow.
No,
Says Jen Wow. Holy shit, dude. Why does my knee hurt? You're the one who fell. Why does my knee hurt? Oh my god, dude.
You know that great big hole in the floor?
If Vibey says, is the sausage okay? Vibey wants to know, is the sausage okay? Is it?
Yeah.
Guys, is it okay? Fuck him. We don't give a fuck about him. Was the sausage alright? Cracked rib, hurt back, and a concussion in one night. Let's go.
Bro, this hurts so fucking bad.
Dude, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to laugh. But dude, this fucking
My ribs hurt more than any fucking thing, bro.
Dude, I bet you just fell through the goddamn floor. Dude, he just fell through the floor of the house over there. He was in there kicking. He was kicking the wall down, and then he came back to kick it, and he fell through the goddamn floor.
Through the whole fucking hole, bro. My whole leg.
I got it on camera.
I was like this in the fucking hole, bro. Look. My whole leg was up like this, bro, in the fucking hole. Get this spot first.
How? Why?
How?
Or why? Why, rather?
Sneak it uphill.
Yeah, right. This motherfucker ain't touching nothing.